Guys, we have another unboxing. What we have here is the Air Jordan 14 Retro SE, or the yellow Ferrari colorway. So stick around. Before we continue with the video, I just want to remind you guys that we have an ongoing giveaway for an Air Jordan 1 Defiant Couture. So if you haven't participated yet, please check out the mechanics on the description box down below. The Air Jordan 14s are actually the last sneakers that Michael Jordan wore when he was with the Chicago Bulls. In my opinion, the Air Jordan 14s are actually the last nice sneakers that Air Jordans have ever released. Earlier this year, they have released the Candy Cane colorway, which is the white and red colorway, which was actually sad because it's still sitting on shelves up to this moment. Not a lot of people like the Air Jordan 14s, but for me, it's one of the good ones of Air Jordans. Way back in 2014, they released a Ferrari colorway in red. And this time around, they're releasing another Ferrari colorway, this time in yellow. So, let's open the box! Here it is, the Air Jordan 14 Retro SE Ferrari colorway. Wow, these sneakers are really nice. So now let's have a closer look and check out what's special about these sneakers. Basically, the upper is made out of this very premium leather, which is really soft to the touch. You know, it's buttery. I mean, wow, they really use premium material on these sneakers. So actually, the official color of this leather is University Gold, but it looks like more of a yellow for me, and it's all plain leather all around. On the medial side, you will see this extension of the midsole in carbon fiber print. And then as you move on to the back, you have this heel tab over here, which is your typical Air Jordan 14 heel tab, where you see the number 23 over here and the Jumpman logo on top. On the heel tab over here, you have this silver accent, and on the lateral side, you have this yellow leather, and of course the Nike Air Jordan branding incorporated with the Ferrari logo. On the toe, you have this Air Jordan branding once again, and then you have this black tongue in leather, premium leather again, and then the laces all the way up. And then on the top of the tongue, you have your usual Air Jordan 14 tongue with the, I'm not sure what is this called, bar over here, where you can see the name Jordan. And at the back, there's 14. The sock liner is also in black. As you can see, heavily padded to support your ankle and your heel. And on the bottom, you have this red Jumpman logo. Moving down the sneakers, in the midsole, you have this carbon fiber printing, as I mentioned earlier, and you have this plastic silver plate that goes through from the midsole up to the outsole. You also have the black soft midsole. I think this is pylon material. And on the bottom of the sneakers, the outsole has this herringbone pattern on the forefoot with the number 14 over here in red. And then, as I mentioned earlier, the plastic plate where you have the Jumpman in yellow. On the heel, you have this herringbone pattern again, and of course this one, this rubber is actually connected to the midsole. So guys, what do you think about these sneakers? Do you like it? Which one do you prefer, the red Ferrari or this yellow Ferrari? The red Ferrari, if I'm not mistaken, is in suede material, so it's kind of difficult to clean. Well, for this one, it's really lush leather that they use. Very thick, very soft, buttery. And yeah, I think that's it for these sneakers. Guys, let me know your thoughts about these sneakers, if this is a cop or not, because I'm not planning to wear these sneakers because I plan to resell them on retail price. So unfortunately, we're not gonna do an on-feet action for these sneakers. Again, let me know what your thoughts on these sneakers in the comment section down below. If you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.